Saving with Shay. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure to smash like button, support your girl. So listen, y'all, I have a customer I have to go meet in about 45 minutes, and so I figured she's over by Walmart, so I'm gonna go and see if I can hopefully knock out my midweek, since I didn't do it in my last video. That's kind of what my goal is. I'm hoping I can. I think I need like 10 to 12 offers, so we're gonna see if I can make it work. I do still have offers that are locked on my app for Ibotta. Some of them have a reset, which is cool, but I do have a lot that are still locked. One thing I want to mention with Ibotta, I've noticed that the last several times I've cashed out, I get this error message. I'll pop it up right here. When you get that, just click the back arrow and then do it again, and it'll go through. That's been working for me. I know that earlier last month or middle of last month, it didn't work. But for the most part, that's what I do when I get that something. Guys, I don't know about y'all, but I'm actually pretty excited that Fetchtopia is over with. Like, I don't know, I love it. It's kind of like I love it, but then it's so overwhelming that it's like OMG, right? And so I'm happy that it's finally over. Between my two accounts, I ended up earning about 195,000 points, I want to say. Let me know how you guys did in the comments. I did better than I thought I was gonna do. It would have been more than that, but because I ran out of receipt scans, my dumbass was scanning receipts the day before trying to get to cash out, and I knew I shouldn't have did that, and that's what screwed me. But I'm hoping that they do change that in the future and allow for more receipt scans during that period at least. With Checkout 51, the $15 minimum is ending as of the 9th. I'm like $2.70 away from hitting that. I'm really hoping I can hit that before that date. Otherwise, I have to wait till I hit 20, which with Checkout 51, y'all, it's been so hard. It's been a struggle getting to $20 on Checkout 51. I know one of y'all said you think that Checkout 51 is on the way out the door. I don't know. A lot of their offers do exclude Walmart. A lot of them are starting to have a limit of 1, which sucks. I don't know if they're necessarily on their way out the door, but I just feel like it's an app that I definitely won't be using as much or as frequently. And with the limits and the minimums, and it's just going to be even harder to hit $20. So Be Frugal, I tried doing 4 items on 1 receipt in the past. It hasn't worked. It's only been like if the limit is a limit of 2, meaning you can grab 4. If you got 4 on 1 receipt, it would just give you credit for 2. That is working now. I did do that with the VH Essentials, and I did get credit for all 4, which was cool. Other than that, you guys, I do have some deals to share at Target as well. I'll do a voiceover for that part. And with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you're gonna hit that like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up. Really quick, Sister Saving You Sense, they did a post on Instagram on this area here, all of the drink water enhancers, water flavored stuff, being on clearance. I didn't see any super cheap for me, but a lot of this stuff is on clearance. I thought about getting some of the Alani ones. They're $5. So definitely check this area. I know that there was an offer on Ibotta for this one right here. I think one store actually saw it for, I think it was $2.50. I should have got it, but I didn't. But yeah, definitely check this little section here. All right, so next up is the Gatorade Lower Sugar. It looks like they're on clearance for $138. For this, one of my Fetch accounts, it's a buy to get back $1 limit of 3, and the other one it's 75-cent back with a limit of 3. So if I grab 6 of them at $138, that total is going to come to $828. I'd be using 3 of these BOGO hang tags. That's going to bring that total down to $414, and then I'll get back $3 on the Fetch reward, making them 19 cents each. On the other account where I'm getting back 75 cents for 3, I'm grabbing 4. It would make them 12 cents each. Right. So next up is the light It is priced at $1.98. For this, I believe you have to grab the zero sugar. Actually, you know what? I think you can grab any of them. They're priced at $1.98, getting back $1 on Ibotta. We'll make them 98 cents each with a limit of 2. All right, y'all. So this next deal here is on the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar. So this is not, it's not going to be free, but it's going to be relatively cheap. If y'all watched my Organize With Me stockpile video that I did, y'all would know I had over 40 of them in my garage. So I got rid of all of them. I gave them to my sister, her neighbor, and my dad's girlfriend. And so I have none. So I said, let's do this deal again. So the price at $3.67 for this. I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 of them. That's totally going to come to $14.68. You'll get back $4.21 for every 2 on Be Frugal, and then 75 cents for each on Ibotta. And then there's $1 back on checkoff at the 1, which I'm so sad. I thought it was going to be a limit of 5, but it was a limit of 1. Boo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Making them only 56 cents. Really quick, if you haven't did the Flavor Wiki offer for the Lay's Classic, it's on the 8-ounce. Is it 8-ounce bag or 7 point? It's on the 8-ounce bag. Looks like they're on rollback for $2.50. You would grab 1 of them, getting back $3 on Flavor Wiki, and then there's also, I want to say there's 25 cents on Ibotta. Which would then make it like a 75-cent money maker. This is the store that doesn't carry the wild protein chips. One of you guys said that these Dorito proteins are really good. So this store doesn't carry the protein chips. And so, yeah, they're priced at, I want to say $7.32. And you'll get that back through aisle. If you haven't did the offer yet, you'll get back $3.50. Again, it works on the smaller bags, which are at Target. And I think Sprouts also has the single smaller bags as well. So this next deal here is on the Friskies Lickables. It doesn't look like they carry them at this particular store, but they are priced at $2.37. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $4.74. We have an offer on Ibotta for 75 cents, which you'll get back twice. And then I also have a 10-cent any as well. And then $2 on Swagbucks, bringing them down to 57 cents each. And so we have the Glade. I was really hoping we was going to get a printable for this, which we normally get. They're priced at $2.98. Can you see it? $2.98, getting back $2 on Ibotta. Limit of 2 makes them 98 cents each. All right, guys. So this deal here is on the Dove. Now, these are priced at $8.97. I only stopped here because I saw that they had $3 like hang tags on them. So you would pay $5.97, get back $3 on Ibotta, make it $2.97. I'm gonna snag a few of these, and if you want the Dove coupon, just say Dove in the comments. Of course, be subscribed, like duh. Hype me up, of course, like duh. And of course, like the video. I'm gonna grab 4. We'll do 2 winners, 2 coupons each. Again, just put Dove if you want it. So last but not least, I grabbed the Shea Moisture packets. They're priced at $2.97, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. Limit of 3 makes them only 47 cents each. Trying to take a shortcut, and look, they do have the small bags of the wild chips here. Ooh, okay, so listen, for those of you who haven't did the aisle offer for $3.50 back, it would be free here, which is really, really cool. And so, yeah, look at me, just finding stuff. These right here, Barbell, one of my favorite protein bars, probably because it tastes like a damn candy bar. So freaking good. All right, yeah, so we're headed to Target. Now, I only have like a handful of deals to do, mostly aisle offers. I think one is WeStock. And so let's go ahead and go inside and see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. So this deal here is on the Leisure Hydration. This is on the like summertime aisle at this particular store. It's priced at $2.69. We have a free offer on Social Nature, and we have one on aisle, so it'll make it a $2.69 moneymaker. My store finally carries the Melting Forest, which is priced at $3.19. You'd be grabbing 2 of them, getting back the price of 1 of them for WeStock, and the price of the other for aisle, making them both free. I know that this item is not actually carried over here. I found it at the other store up front by the Target like deli, you know, their little restaurant, in the refrigerator there. It also might be located by Starbucks, but it's on the hint water. It's priced at 99 cents this week, and I have a 50-cent offer for Fetch. When it was Fetchtopia, it was $1, but now it's 50 cents, bringing that down to only 49 cents with a limit of 3. I saw this deal posted on IG. I'll have to pop up who I saw post it. Doesn't look like this store carries it. It's the Buffalo Love. It's on the meatballs. It looks like their price is $7.69. We have a $3 digital. You'll pay $4.79, getting back 3 on Fetch, 2 on Ibotta will make it a 21-cent moneymaker. And I believe they would be in this refrigerator section. Next up is the Tide Ultra Oxy. It's priced at $4.99. Big shout out to Amy for letting me know that there is a $1.50 coupon. I think she said she saw California Clipper posted. It's priced at $4.99. That $1.50 digital. We're bringing the total down to $3.49, getting back $4.99 on Fetch. Now I did this deal yesterday. I didn't even check for the digital. I had it still on one of my accounts, so I came and did a post coupon, and they just basically gave me back the $1.50. And so yeah, it makes this a $1.50 moneymaker. All right, y'all, so this is my complete haul for today. Everything worked out pretty great. If this is not a super duper moneymaker, I just remembered the Bank of America offers for $1. I can actually submit the friskies for that, so that deal would actually be a much better deal. I'll pop the link in. I'll actually put it in the description. All right, all of the offers are a limit of 5, and it's 1 per receipt that I know of, and it automatically goes to your PayPal. So I did get 3 of them for my last haul. I'm not sure if I'll get, I think I was expecting 5. I've already gotten 3. So just wanted to mention that. But everything here worked out good. I did get credit for all 4 of the ocean sprays on Be Frugal. I told you I did the post or the adjustments right here for the Tide. And I actually like when they do it like that, because literally all they do is scan the receipt, and they can, it actually gives you back the value. Well, it gives you back $1.50 plus tax. So I think it gave me back like $1.71 or something like that. And so, yeah, that worked out great. I did hit my midweek. As far as my weekend, I have like 9 for $1, but I'm really, really close to the larger bonus. And so I'm definitely gonna at least try to hit that. Really quick, you guys, have any of you guys tried these? Please, please, please don't judge me. Do not judge me. 35 calories. I think this is like, yeah, 6 serving sizes. Great the whole back. Don't judge me. These are so good, you guys. I was like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna eat this bag probably when I'm done with this video. But these are so freaking good. I just want to mention that. So don't judge me, y'all. Look, I'll be trying. Look, I get baby stuff. Those pouches. Yeah, I will put them down. Okay, I will put them down. So yeah, don't judge me. But look, I'm gonna try to run through this, but I do have a lot of receipts though. I was trying to roll some of my gift cards for my Fetch gift cards on the Wild. I just gave one of my favorite customers like 6 bags yesterday. Because I know I'm not gonna eat them that fast, and I still have a lot left. But these are all my receipts for today. But I'm gonna run through this really fast because I gotta get my little big head from school, y'all. And so listen, everything that you see here retails $102.05. I had $8.40 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $93.65. And then I'm getting back $38.15 from Isles, $20.60 from Ibotta, $16.73 from Fetch Reward between 2 accounts. Be Frugal is $8.42. We Stock $3.19. Social Nature $2.69. Swagbucks is $2, and Checkout 51 is $1. So getting back a total of $92.78. Oh, plus the $1 for Bank of America is gonna make this like, I don't know, like a 10-cent moneymaker or something like that, which is definitely not bad, y'all. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. I want to see in the comments what I want to see. Let me see a chili pepper in the comments if you make it to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.